Today we are working on common confusions, lecture number 4. So this is not a very difficult one. Most people would not make the mistake, or they might believe that they're not making the mistake, but when they're not making the mistakes, but when it would come where they are actually writing it down. For instance, when I'm checking essays, when I'm evaluating the essays, I normally see people making this mistake a lot. ये ये जो कॉमन कन्फ्यूजन हम कर रहे हैं ये इंटरनेट पे भी अवेलेबल हैं, दे आर अवेलेबल ऑन द इंटरनेट and they are quite prevalent. Moreover, these are the mistakes which people or my students actually commit a lot. So let's start with writing down two sentences. Now when you look at these two sentences, what do you see? If you look at the first sentence, you see the movie affected me. The movie affected me a lot. So what do you have? The movie affected me a lot. इस sentence के अंदर, in this sentence, would you use the one starting with A or the one starting with E? Now please remember, the one starting with A is a verb for most of the times. So the movie, actually all the time, in case I'm working on these basic things, the movie affected me a lot. So if you are trying to write down a verb, अगर आप ये कह रहे हैं कि the movie affected me, your suggestion affected me. I was affected by the way you actually taught me. सो अफेक्ट जब आपके साथ कोई हरकत हो रही है, कोई एक्शन हो रहा है, कोई वर्ब हो रहा है, तो आपने हमेशा जो वर्ब है वो ए के साथ स्टार्ट होता है. तो यू विल से द मूवी अफेक्टेड मी अ लॉट. इफ यू आर ट्राइंग टू राइट डाउन इट हैड अ नेगेटिव इफेक्ट ऑन हिम, do not write down with a negative effect. What is effect? Effect over here is a noun. So you would say it had a negative effect on him, it had a positive effect on him, it had no effect on him. उसके ऊपर कोई इसका असर नहीं हुआ. तो effect का मतलब यहाँ पे होगा असर, in the sense of a noun. So if you look at these two, let's make one more sentence. Well, I was affected by the way he taught me everything. She affected my emotions. She affected my emotions. ये affected my emotions क्या है? It is with the a because it is a verb. Or you would say it had no effect on him. So effect over here is going to be, some people even pronounce them differently, but effect over here would be a noun. So it had no effect on him, it would be a noun. Okay, thank you.